Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So NVIDIA is one of the most popular technology stocks in the world, known for its AI chips, gaming GPUs, data center hardware, and artificial intelligence infrastructure. So the good news is Charles Schwab makes it easy to buy NVIDIA stock in just a few minutes. So this is the complete step-by-step process for buying NVIDIA stocks or stock on Charles Schwab. Okay, so first thing you have to do is open a Charles Schwab brokerage account. So before buying NVIDIA, you will need a Schwab brokerage account. So visit Charles Schwab. As you can see, create or log in to your account. So you can open an account, complete identity verification, open a brokerage account if you don't already have one. So after that account created, trading access enabled, the new accounts may require approval before trading is available. Okay, so after signing up, okay, you have to fund your account. So before placing an order, you will need available cash. Okay, so as you can see here, log into Schwab as we did. After that, select transfers and payments. Okay, and link your bank account. Okay, so transfer funds into your brokerage account after that. So after that, cash will be available and buying power will be ready. So transfers may take time depending on the funding method. Okay, after that, search for NVIDIA. Okay, so open the trade section, enter NVDA, okay, in the search box, select NVIDIA Corporation, okay, and NVIDIA stock page opens after that, and current market information displayed. So always verify the ticker symbol is NVDA before placing an order. After that, open the NVDA stock page and tap trade, and that's it, guys. After that, buy it, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.